Tailored suit, late trade, no sweat. Eyes on the chart, that candle set. They've been solid through the storms and the scares. Every year, same calm in the flesh. Top shelf plans, every tear, that's facts. Blueprint clean, every wrist contact. When I scale, it's a ladder, not a bed. Every rung got steel in the step. You want proof? Check the curve, not the talk. See the line stay smooth, while the rest just walk. Deep fun, deep roots in the ground. In a world full of shakes, they don't move when it's loud. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still storms. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Text so clean, feel the speed in the scroll. No lag, no drag, full control. Execution like a lock on a vault. Click once, tight spread, no fall. I seen markets turn savage in an hour. Watch weak funds fold, lose power. They just glide through the waves, never shake. Same name, same strength, no break. You want calm in the rush, in the race. You want time, you want room, you want space. Deep funds, deep roots in the ground. In the field full of noise, they don't mimic the crowd. Future, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it's still stalled. Future, when the screens glow gold. Every life plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Years in the fight, they refine, they remain. Names come and go, they engrave in the frame. If I'm putting on a tux for the kill shot and move, oh yeah, it's their badge on the inside, stitched in a suit, yeah. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it's still stall. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, write the script, play the role. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome to the happy hour, everyone. What's up? How was y'all's weekend?
What's that word? What's that word?
Oh, damn, we already started like hot. You had some fat fish working on him? On you?
You literally follow me on Instagram. Did you see that on Instagram?
I'm not on
Look
your
at this
close
guy
friends.
talking.
I don't know.
I don't even post on close friend.
Mm,
That boy literally
maybe you
just
do.
his first thing he did was just lie. He likes them plus size because they're cheaper, bro. I am handsome, bro. Unlike you, I don't have to pay for anything. What's wrong with this guy? Boy, and I got this tape. What? When I get this tape,
What?
bro, when I get this tape, ratchet as fuck with nappy hair, I got good hair. I don't even know what you look like, bro. I'm not even gonna let you. I ain't gonna let you get me started today, bro. I had a good weekend, man. Fam, you probably wouldn't even. You probably stutter around a bad bitch, bro.
You probably started about bitches is
Sweating
crazy.
bullets, man. YouTube, what's going on? How
No,
was
we already
everybody's
got on Coach
weekend, man?
nerve.
Right, I'm not, bro. I'm not even gonna give him the time of day. I'm having a good weekend. I don't feel like flaming nobody today, so I'm gonna let y'all live, bro.
Yeah.
We got a nice little barbecue after the show. I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling, bro.
Oh man. Well, yeah, he's
What
right.
we
Fat
thinking
bitches
today?
need love too.
They said Trump raised tariffs 10%.
I think we're still bullish.
I think that boy raised the tariffs. So full port buys.
Full port buys, 100%.
I'm
I
certified.
don't
Let
think
me
we're
come to the
like
barbecue.
with that move on Friday. There's no way we're just gonna turn around and be like, "Oh, now we bearish." You know what I'm saying? Like that was a pretty aggressive buy up. There's no way. Not right now, anyway.
Tell you what, I'm gonna be patient. I ain't got time for fuckery. Like I said, I've been having a good weekend. I'm cooling. Bitcoin was going up 5 minutes ago. Shit. Yeah, let's see how this
Yeah,
market reacts in the
I
next
think
5
we
minutes.
are. I think we can get a reversal in the middle of the week, but not right now. Not the way that we ended Friday. Psh. Oh shit! I'm not recording. Oh no, BS. Okay, now I am.
She's no baddie. I am a baddie. Oh shit.
Who's nobody?
Talking to you on YouTube. Grim
Who?
Skull.
You? Not me.
Get on his ass.
Chat. Drop a B on the chat if you think I'm a Betty.
I don't know, Grim Skull. It ain't looking too good for you.
Triple B's.
Everybody in the chat, drop a B if you don't think Hyde the General brushed his teeth today at 6 p.m. Right. I can smell his breath from over here. This dude's probably in Philadelphia somewhere, stinking up my crib, talking and shit. Stanky breath ass young boy, if you even young.
It's always the ugly ones. They're like, "Oh, you're ugly." I'm like, "Have you looked at yourself in the mirror, boy?"
Projecting. That's called projecting.
Yeah, they try to reject you before you reject them. Is male so insecurities at its finest.
Like, bro, it's some, bro. You can still do your thing and be ugly, bro. I don't know why you gotta project the ugliness on somebody else though. It's a lot of ugly people that's successful.
There's a lot of ugly people. There's
Joe King, what's going on, Brody? I like the fact that G Stank really uses G Stank, bro. Because I'm not gonna lie, your first name was crazy, bro. Your first name is insane.
Hell yeah, you having a payout? What is it called? What is this?
Good shit, Psycho Danny.
I'm Then if I
Good
want to
shit.
go back to Tradeify, like if I get one more payout, they move me to live. So I'm like, what is the point? Is anybody on live on Tradeify? Is it really after 5 payouts? Well,
I haven't used Tradeify yet myself. I'm going to though.
he said no, but with the new rules on Tradeify, oh, not Tradeify, Tradeify, um, it says that if you get 5 payouts, it doesn't matter if it's the same account, even if you blow them, that you automatically go to live. That is what I read on the website. That's what I'm asking because I already have 4 payouts with them.
So the next time you do get a payout, you just automatically go live every time.
That's what. So he already had 7 payouts and then moved to live because what I really want to do is get the trade like what is it 4 or 5 Tradeify selects 150K and run them bitches up. I'm just saying, like, is the problem is not going to live. The problem is having like some accounts that are challenges, some accounts that are not, and then if I'm trying to run them up with 5 accounts, that is gonna mess me up.
You guys trade futures, right? Yeah, we trade futures.
Oh, and you got to make your buffer again on top of it. I think that's what I'm kind of like. Ugh.
So you still gotta make buffer.
Yeah, when you go to live, you got to remake your buffer. So it's kind of like you got to redo it again.
That's pointless. That's pointless. We do got TA meetings tonight too.
Oh, it's 5 payouts on each account. I mean, because I had 4 payouts in one account. So maybe that's what I was reading. But I didn't want to go to live, so I blew it. So I was debating. I was like, do I want to restart or what do I want to do?
I'm definitely gonna be getting some. I got some lucids.
I have one lucid challenge, same from last week, that I'm going to try to pass.
Well, I'm going to. Matter of fact, that's what I was supposed to be doing right now, low key. Oh my! Look
Shit,
at
we
this.
got down.
We got down.
It's fine. It
Damn.
could just be a liquidity grab.
I wanna click it. I wanna click it.
Do we want to be a degenerate and just click it?
Bro, it's the DGen in me is like, click the fucking button, bro. Yo. I wanna click the fucking button.
I want to click the button too.
Damn, seeing it's going. It's
I
fucking
clicked
going.
it. Where's my stop loss? Did my stop loss not get activated? God damn it.
Let me see how this next
Or is it all the
candle
way down there?
reacts.
Is it? Where the fuck is my stop loss? Rah.
We're in that. We're in that.
You know what? I'm gonna stop loss.
We
Oh,
are
wait a
in there.
second. Is it? Where the fuck? No, I have to get out and get
Oh, it's
back
looking
in.
out.
Yeah, because my stop loss is nowhere to be found. I'm not doing this without a stop loss. What the fuck?
Oh, they put your stop?
No, I don't know why. Well, it's looking like shit anyway, so
Right,
good
yeah, I'm
thing I
out of
got
there.
out.
I am out of there. The DJ and me lost.
I know this bitch looks bearish as fuck. Let's wait. Let's wait a little bit more.
Lady Kels, you see what I see? You see what I see? You see what I see?
I mean nothing. Hold up. If anything, I'm gonna go get in for buys.
Gold flying? Yeah. I knew these little tariff shits was going to be a motherfucker. Trying to see if we touch the midline of this gap. Let's see, check this 5 minute.
Two minutes look decent.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't run the lows right there.
Just in case. I definitely want to see how we react in this gap here. Definitely want to see how we react in this gap.
Yeah, that's gonna determine everything.
That's gonna determine everything, yeah. Why is it so volatile? Probably because Trump raising the tariffs.
Yeah, the way we closed on Friday. That shit was
Mhm.
wild as fuck.
Iran conflict as well, yeah. It could be a couple things. Trade Debate a minute, they are having issues with their platform. So my Trade Debate is looking just
Tell me
fine.
who you telling? Who you telling? I was over here on Friday bitching at Coach, like, what the fuck? Why is my trade evade down
Yeah,
again?
that was kind of crazy. That was kind of fucking crazy.
Non-stop, that bullshit, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can you explain why it was wild as fuck?
Because each candle was like 100 points.
What is he talking about? Friday?
Yeah. I mean, news.
Right.
Tariff. I don't really be paying attention to news like that. Like I don't care for the news at all. I just trade technicals. So I'm not the person I'm not the person to try to explain that.
Yeah. I definitely don't use news as a confluence. I mean, obviously, like the 8:30 news and shit like that. I let those play out, but like actual world news, I don't use that.
I mean, like I'm aware that we have news, but I don't care what the news says at all. Cause like I've tried paying attention to news before, and it's always been like, oh, the news are good, and then the market jumps like 50 points because the news are good, and then it tanks for the rest of the day. Like, so who the fuck cares? That's my experience with trying to learn news.
Yeah, there's been some issues with trade evade lately. Yeah, I mean, I granted, like my trade evade been all right. I don't want to jinx myself, but
But you know what it is? I was reading on one of the discords I'm at. Um, it's good if you log in early is because they are not being able to process all the orders that are coming in exactly around 9:30. So you do pre-market, so you're probably logging in at 8 a.m.,
Hmm.
which then you're already good for. Is the new accounts that are trying to log in while there's multiple people trying to log in, and then the latency is too much and they're not able to keep up with it.
Yeah, especially around news. It's a lot of that shit. That shit always. I mean, but like I said, they've been pretty good to me. So
Yeah, so now I know I need to be logged in like early in the morning or leave it overnight logged in if it doesn't kick me out. But
what you finna grill? I'm not grilling shit. My dog is though. I know how to cook like in the kitchen really good, but I just don't know how to grill. Never did it, to be honest.
I never done it either, to be honest.
I've never jumped on the grill for real.
I don't be trading gold, especially now that the fucking you can't even trade gold pretty much.
Yeah, that's just annoying.
I don't really be trading gold.
I got levels at 25. I'm trying to see what happens if we tap these levels here. Right now, this is just choppy as hell. Now
It
you gotta learn how to
is.
grill, bro. Yeah, I do. I do. Once you get into grilling, you won't even want to be in the kitchen like that no more. I mean, I doubt it, bro. I don't want to have to go outside to cook all the fucking time.
I bake a lot. Like not baking. I don't know how to bake. But like as far as like savory food, I bake everything because it's just so easy just to throw it in there and such a easy cleanup. I get baked.
What you mean you never cooked on a grill? Exactly what I just said. Never cooked on the grill, bro. By the time I get to the barbecue, people already grilling. What the fuck I'm gonna do? So let's say you got a woman and she's like, "Oh, let's grill today." What you finna say? We going to my Brody crib. We out.
We out.
Finna call my dog and tell him get on the grill.
Just take her to a steakhouse to eat it. Brilliant.
Who, who
Like,
told you I don't know
listen,
how to play spades?
oh,
I kick ass in spades,
I don't know how to play spades.
bro. To be honest, bro, we're just gonna go to a barbecue spot or some shit, bro. That's what
There
money is
are
for, bro.
that's what I'm saying. There are some types of food that I refuse to cook. Like baking a cake sometimes. I'm just like, bro, who is gonna eat that? I'm not gonna fucking bake a cake just to throw it in the trash because I'm not gonna eat it. Like, there's no fucking way. Like, why the fuck am I wasting my time on learning how to bake? Because then, like, or cookies. Then I'm gonna have a shit ton of cookies that I just want one, and then I'm gonna have to throw the rest away. I'm like, nah, it's too much time, too much effort for shit that like makes no sense for me.
Right. I'm definitely never gonna bake a fucking cake. That's out of there. Definitely not gonna bake a cake.
Oh, eat your cake, Izzy. I am
Pull out
such
that
a
noise. Put up some
princess.
like if you hit the hookah while I grill. Hit the hookah. Hit the hookah is crazy.
Bro, I'm not baking a cake and spending hours in the kitchen just to give them away. It's my like it's the time and effort that it takes to do that just for me to fucking take one. No. No, 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 no.
What the hell?
I'd rather not.
Yo,
No. What are you laughing about? What is
People just
it?
crazy, bro. People just crazy.
What? What?
No, I'm reading these horny motherfuckers in here.
Saying what? Tell me. I'm not looking at YouTube. You are.
Oh, that they trying to eat your cake, bake your cake. Boys going crazy.
Oh man.
They said I'm not going to any parties at Isabel's. Damn.
That's fine because if I want a cake, guess what? I'll just buy one. Like
Right, bro. Like, bro, it's somebody's job to bake cakes, bro. What the fuck am I doing it for? Food is different because it's like you gotta save, it's like saving money. And then when you can cook, bro, it's like you be wanting to cook sometimes. Like,
bro, like I can't cook. It's not something that I enjoy doing it on the daily basis. It's like maybe once a week I'll cook dinner for my man type of thing. Don't get me wrong, I'll meal prep, but I'm talking about like a dish that I'm going to spend like 5 hours in the kitchen. I ain't got time for all of that.
once a week.
No. I'll meal prep on Sundays because he can get fat either.
So I have to eat reheated food and I can't grease at 1 a.m. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I ain't gonna lie, that's no way to live right there, boy.
Oh man.
Chat. Y'all hear that?
I mean, don't get me like, because I usually cook. I don't cook for the entire week. I'll cook for like 3 to 4 days, and then I'll do another dish like 3 to 4 days. It's not like I'm not making my man eat fucking 7 days old food. Like
I know for a fact.
what?
I know for a fact the dark skinned man is not going for that.
Mm,
So
joke
that's
is on
gonna
you.
he said jokes on me.
Hmm.
I'm
Because
just
I
saying,
like
chat,
guys
bro.
that I like fit guys, and all of the black guys that I've dated, they are fit. They never had an issue with it.
Bro. So what kind of meals do you meal prep?
It depends. I always do like some sort of starch, a protein, and a vegetable. Like it can be like steak with any sort of vegetable, rice, sweet potatoes in general. Um, I don't know. I do chicken with some sort of like sauce, and then I just try to make like little bowls. You know what I'm saying? Like rice, beans, and chicken, or like rice, beans, and steak, or Gra- I made the other day. I made ground beef with sweet potatoes and what was it? What was it? There was a little bit of avocados. I hate. I know you hate avocados. Cooking like a TikTok girl.
Easy, they frying you, easy. I'm not gonna lie, they
No,
frying.
that is meal prep.
They are
Like
frying you, man.
I don't care. I mean, I'm just meal prepping. I'm not saying that I'm making dishes. The dishes, like I said, if it takes me a while to cook, I'm only doing that like once or twice a week because it takes me too long.
They said it sounds like you making that shit up.
No, it's like Brazilian food, like he is saying, like frango, feijão, e arroz. Like literally, it is like such a Brazilian thing to make.
Right. It sounds like you just trade, man.
Don't
I gotta
disrespect
see.
my mother like that.
Oh, whoa! I ain't say nothing. Oh, because she
Yeah,
taught you.
because she taught me. You think that she was gonna let me grow up and not learn how to cook? You're crazy.
You
We
would
had
be
weekly
surprised.
calls. We had weekly calls every Friday. Her on the phone telling me what to do. She was teaching me how to make like was it chicken marsala with like mashed potatoes and shit. I'm like, bro, I don't know how to make mashed potatoes, and she would like literally teach me over the phone.
You would be surprised how much women do not know how to cook or think they can cook. Like
I
that should be.
never had any complaints. My man's always liked my food.
No, I'm trolling you. I'm talking about in real life though,
Yeah.
like real life man problems. Like I be like, damn, bro, your mama didn't teach you how to make rice. Like your mama didn't teach you how to bake a chicken.
Yeah. Like I know for a fact, like if I didn't have my mom, I probably would not know how to cook because my dad doesn't know how to cook.
Facts. Me too. I've never even seen my dad make an egg sandwich, bro. My
No.
mom always cooked everything.
Yeah.
We are just ranging. We haven't came to test that gap yet.
Nothing. Nothing. We haven't done shit.
We haven't done shit, but just range. Then what is this happy hour? What you mean? What is this happy hour? It's happy hour, motherfucker. He said, "Y'all got dads wild." Yes. Hey, don't feel bad, G
Don't.
Stank. Don't feel bad, brother.
See, that's why I don't have daddy issues. Like my dad would beat my ass. Like, oh my god.
My
If I
first
ever
wife could burn spaghetti noodles. Whoa.
Oh my god, I literally need to watch what I post on my story sometimes because my dad created an Instagram account. He never had an Instagram until like last month.
Block him.
I
Block his ass.
can't. I can't. He'd be liking all my posts, and I'm like, oh my god.
You think if you blocked him, that he would know he's blocked, or he'll just think Instagram's tripping?
No, he would know because my aunt also follows me, like my cousins. I'm just like, fuck.
Oh, you're cooked.
He, yeah, no, he sees my thirst traps, but like they are not like that bad. If not, he would say something. He'd be like, bro.
Yeah, you got some pretty like those the ones. Yeah, PG-13 kind of like thirst traps on Instagram. It's not really you're not really doing too much.
No, it's like these type of shirts that I'm just like,
Yeah,
you can see I'm a girl, but you're not saying too much.
yeah, like you can see the biddies and shit.
Anything to sell the course. No, I would be in a thong if I wanted to sell my course. If I really wanted to.
Trying to see how we react at this 24 level with
I
the
think we're
this man.
selling. Ow, stop. Haley, not right now, baby. What? You don't think that if I posted a picture of bikini with my ass over there that I wouldn't like come on.
I know I'm subscribing.
Oh, we are selling for sure.
Mm-hmm. Right, one of my areas right now.
Yeah.
I'm in there.
Okay. Okay, I'm in there too.
I am in there, homie.
Like right there. Should be fine. What am I targeting? I don't know. These lows right
Yeah, I'm targeting the way this is looking, God willing, the first quarter point and then the 900s.
here? Oh, that candle said fuck you.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Are we slow? That was equal lows. What are we doing? Oh, we're about to get cooked, aren't we? Oh no.
Yup. I am down.
I'm down too. Oh no, we're about to get cooked. This is about to buy.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'm in this bitch though.
Or not. I mean, I'm waiting for it to take me out. And then I'll see what I want to do. If we're really buying. Wait, or you said you in buys already?
No. I'm in sales.
Oh. Oh yeah, okay.
So,
Same. But I have a feeling that that was the liquidity sweep. Oh my God. What are we doing?
we are in this bitch. We are in this bitch.
Should reject that. If not, we cooked. You know, ever since you said about the 2 minutes, the 2 minutes on NQ doesn't actually look bad at all.
Yeah, I like the 5 and the 2. We take these lows that would be considered a failed bullish move. Izzy, I can make some Brazilian barbecue for you and some caipirinhas.
Caipirinha.
How do you say that?
Caipirinha.
Caipirinha.
Oh.
Yeah, you know I had that in me, huh?
Yeah, I didn't. I'm proud of you.
This next candle is going to tell me a lot. A lot.
But that is though, Brazilian barbecue is better than American barbecue. American barbecue, literally, like, I don't like it. Like sweet beans? Like really? Oh, and then the marshmallow on the fucking sweet potatoes? Yo, that is outrageous. Like, who created that?
I don't think I've even had Brazilian food. Have I?
I don't know.
Have I had
That'd be
Brazilian food? You know, I go to like restaurants and shit. And Texas de Brazil, that's Brazilian food, right?
Yeah, like American Brazilian, mid, very
Bro, that shit
mid.
was good though. That shit
That's
was
just
good.
mid as fuck. You need to real Brazilian food, bro. You in Florida, baby. I
Yeah,
know, honey.
but I don't know what's what. Like I will go to oh look, we're dumping. I will go to like a Hispanic restaurant.
Yeah, I know.
And,
I added a second position.
oh yeah, better believe I did. I would go to a Hispanic restaurant. And I don't know what country it's from. I don't know what country it's
Oh
from.
hell yeah.
Dumping. We are dumping.
We are dumping hard as fuck.
Currently up 300.
I'm up
We are dumping.
700, 800, 900. Am I about to pass my account?
Yes.
No, I need a little bit more.
Yes, indeed.
Did I add another one?
We'll be
No.
targeting like the 960 area, 100%.
Did I add another one? No. 2 minutes is fine. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, how much am I up? No. That looked bigger on my other screen. Stop doing that. Bro, I need you guys to go sit down. Can you stop?
966 is what I'm looking at.
966. How much is that? Let me look at it. 966. Just oh. 9.
Who called that short, man? That short was a snipe.
I'm about to add more positions. I might regret this, but
Snipe.
I have 4 minis on right now. Because I ain't got time.
Fogo de Chao. I heard about Fogo de Chao. I definitely did. I got to try that. Is that in Orlando? Do we have one in Orlando? Look at this dump. Who is in these sales?
I passed my challenge.
YouTube. I know y'all in these sales with us, bro. I just know
I was
y'all
bald though.
are.
I did 4 minis though. Like that's crazy. I did 4 minis.
You have Fogo de Chao in
Stop.
Miami, yeah. So when I go down there, I gotta try that. I definitely gotta try
We
that.
have
once I
we
go.
opened one here, and it's absolutely terrible. It's one of the worst Brazilian restaurants I've ever tried.
Yeah, but
You
you know,
need to
you
actually find a mom and pop spot in Florida, bro.
but just like
Google that shit.
you gonna be tough on it because you really Brazilian. Like I'm tough on Jamaican food, so it's like I feel you. I definitely feel you.
The
YouTube,
dump
are
is
we in this
still
short?
dumping.
Fucking right, we are dumping. 965. My first T, well, not my first, one of my TPs. I
I'm
took a partial
funded,
out the quarter
guys.
point.
With Lucid, it's
Good shit,
official.
man. Good shit. Excuse me.
That account that I've been trying to pass for like I don't know how long. I'd be forgetting about it. I had to make 4,500 because I made too much money, so that's why it's like way overboard.
We are dumping. Caught that short. Good shit, Novo. I know you would. Chima, baby,
And
one in
then
Orlando, Coach. We go to the one in Fort Lauderdale. It's called Chima. Yeah, let me type that in. Because if it's like
once
that,
we're
I
done with
will
this
be pulling up.
trade, are we doing TAs today? Is it TAs that we have?
Yeah. I'm floating $100 in profit with
I'm,
one micro
I
right now.
mean,
So
I'm done. So whenever
or
we want to start
$200. Yeah,
TA, we
we can
can.
run the TAs. Yeah, I'm in profit. Like there's nothing that can happen
I
to
passed
me.
my challenge, so
Yeah,
I'm
we
happy.
out.
Starting with a brand new account with Lucid. I never got funded with Lucid, so this is the first time. I'm excited to trade with them. See what's up with the. What Lucid did I do? Did I do? I don't remember which account I did.
Yeah, I'm supposed to buy some today. What's the best Lucid account you guys think?
Yeah, let me go check which Lucid I have.
Flex? Damn, the whole
I
chat
think
said
I did
Flex.
the flex because I asked you guys before which one I should do, and then I think you guys told me flex. Or wait, or did I do the black? Oh, I could have done the black possibly. I don't remember now
You did the
because
black
I
one.
did one that I think. Obviously, bro. But seriously, like I don't think I could ever date like a white American guy. Like there's not enough flavor there for me. I don't
Oh
think I
shit.
never actually had a white American boyfriend. I don't know.
Oh man. Kyle, you're
What?
fucking cooked, brother. Kyle, you're fucking cooked, brother. Jeff, I'm sorry, bro. Yo, yo. Need a South Florida guy. We're seasoned. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, Dan, we made different down here. Look at his dunk, man.
We got great credit.
TP smashed. I'm rolling one micro up like 190 right now. Oh, not after that wick, but
I don't need great credit. I need actually like monies. But we got great credit. That took me out.
yeah, my stop is at 87.
I'm
My stop
joking.
is
I'm
at
joking, guys. No, I'm not joking about the white boy thing, actually. But oh, I did Lucid Black.
us white boys know how to breathe out of our ears. Weird flex, but okay.
I dated a Southern boy before, actually. Well, we dated for like a very short period of time. I've tried, guys. I'm not saying I haven't tried dating white American man. I've tried. I gave him my fair share. It just
Yeah, you just cooked like 80% of the chat, bro. 80% of the chat is furious right now.
Hold on, my puppy grabbed something. Oh my god, bro.
Chat, y'all not missing nothing, man. You can't grease at 1 a.m. You getting reheated food on a Wednesday that was made on Sunday night. Y'all boys ain't losing nothing, bro. Y'all boys good, man.
You say that because you haven't.
Oh shit, Izzy, you still in the cell? Oh, so yeah. I got taken out. I got taken out. I got taken. Let's run some TAs.
Uh-huh.
Let's run some fucking TAs.
Well, is that how you're gonna get out of it?
Get out of what?
Nothing.
State your name, state your issue, shut the fuck up, let us embrace you. Y'all boys practice.
Got my funded
Took
account
me out
already,
to
guys. That
do
is
that
wild.
crazy.
That is wild. Lucid is
Took
fast
me
as
out
fuck.
to do that is crazy work. Lucid is instant is great, yeah. So I'm gonna
No, I
buy
love
the
this.
Lucid
I need to read the
Flex.
rules. Well, the black you can get daily payouts. That's why I did it.
Mm.
Okay, funded rules. Get paid up to double once you unlock the second payout. Three days to pay out. No minimum days for profit. 40% consistency. I think that's why people told me to go with the flex. Because flex doesn't have consistency. Yeah, flex has no consistency. So, but then black you can get paid every 3 days, but you have 40% consistency, which I mean I don't think is that bad.
Coach, did you take any level to level trade? We called out the short. We called out the short from like I was in there from like 24. TP that's 66. Yo, we were in the it gave everybody time to jump in because we was in drawdown for a minute. So there was enough time. Antonio, what's good, bro?
Yo, what's up, man? How you guys doing tonight?
What's up?
Bother, bro. State your name, state your issue. You know the
Yes,
rest.
sir. Obviously, my name is Antonio. I've been trading for a minute now. Actually, it's been like 11 months, like solid, like sticking to my plan. My issue right now is I'm trying to figure out like when do I like quit the job? You know what I mean? Like I know you just left. I'm in the position now where I'm taking consistent payouts. On top of my shit, but I got a family, so I gotta make sure my shit's good. But I'm just trying to figure out like, you know what I mean? Like when do you feel like you can like kind of step away?
That's totally on you.
You can start. Yeah, I'll give you my 2 cents after.
Oh yeah, well I wasn't gonna say much. I was just gonna say that that's on you. You gotta be if you're locked in to where you feel like you don't need a job, you're getting consistent payouts, you have that certain number that you like to see in your account, then quit your job. I can't tell you what made me feel like I was doing it. It was the certain number and my and I was pretty consistent. So I figured I'm not gonna go back under. So that's why I quit my job. But if you know that you can't. The thing about having a job in trading is because for sure you have money incoming. So it takes the stress off a little bit because no matter what, your bills are going to be paid. If you don't think that you can,
Exactly.
yeah, like if you're not saved up and then you're consistent, if you're not saved up and you're not consistent, don't quit your job. But if you're saved up and you're consistent, then quit, bro. It's totally on you.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Izzy. My bad.
No, you're good. I was gonna say what I think is the best way to do it is to also be able to find something that you can make consistent money from, like an investment property or something like that, that is going to like at least bring enough to pay for the, basic bills that you guys have. Because I'll tell you, to me at least, it was like a psychological warfare at some point in my trading career that I'm like, oh my God, I have my last $10,000 in the bank, and I have to account for the fact that like I might have a red month next month, and like, what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna do with these last 10,000, and like to make sure that I'm good for the next few months, right? Because you got to think about the fact that like your psychology is going to get impacted, because once you have a job, you're not trading because you need to make money. Once you quit your job, your psychology can tank immediately because the need to make money is going to be there now. So
Yeah, I think the
mhm.
biggest thing is like, sorry, go for it. My bad. Didn't mean to cut you off.
Oh no, that was essentially what I was saying, that like you need to find something like a passion project or a business that you want to start. That would be my advice, that like then pour all of the money that you're making with trading into that business. I don't know if you have a wife, but like let your wife run that business and then keep on doing your thing, or find something that you can do from home. I don't fucking know, like get creative. You know what I'm saying? Every person has a different passion, and
No,
I
yeah,
think that's how you start to diversify, because then trading just puts fuel into like opening that business and putting up the fire, and then you're just like, you're gonna be good psychologically.
okay, yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, because I'm working at a shop that I kind of own a portion of right now. That's the only reason why I'm like in that situation of being like, man, maybe I should step away. But yeah, it's a lot, especially when you have kids. You know what I mean? Like you see, I try to like not compare myself to anyone really. At the end of the day, I want to help and teach people as well. Like that's my biggest thing. I just don't want to, have that be another source yet until I'm like 100% confident I can give them all my undivided attention. You know what I mean? I'm not just trying to sell someone something. I want to definitely be on it and be there consistently to, have that be another source, like kind of like what you guys do. You guys are able to do this full time. Um, but I appreciate it. I'm gonna definitely put some thought into that. I always think about like, oh, maybe I should have like 6 months to a year saved up worth of bills. Yes, but it's like you're right. There needs to be something else that's consistently cash flowing in order for me to be like, yeah, I'm going trading. I still got something coming in no matter what at the end of the day. So I
Yeah,
appreciate it.
because I think that will give you peace of mind more than having 6 months saved up. Because then
Yeah.
that becomes a number, right? Oh my God, okay, you have 50,000 in the bank. Then it's like every day you see that money like trickling down a little bit. That can create like a psychological pressure, like, you know,
Mm-hmm.
um, and mind you, Coach and I don't have kids. So like if it was hard for us, I can only imagine for somebody that is married. Did you say you're married? That you have married and you're with kids? Like I can only imagine how much
Yeah.
harder that would
I have
be.
3 kids. Yeah, 3 kids and a wife, and I just, I don't know. Yeah, I bust my ass for that shit. That's for damn sure. So
That's why I said,
I
bro. You
appreciate that.
yeah. Having that job, it takes that the money part of the stress off. Because no matter what, you know that your kids is fed, your wife is happy, your bills are paid. With not having that and having to just depend on the charts, that's a whole
Yeah.
different kind of tilt right there. And you don't want money to keep going
Yo,
down
people
and
are
things like
telling me
that.
yeah, people are telling me to learn how to pull out, and I look 20, bro. I'm not 20,
That
trust
is
me.
what
I'm
that
not.
is what I'm like reading. I'm literally dead.
Yeah,
Wait, what
I'm
happened? What
I'm
they say?
26 by the way, guys. I'm 26,
uh,
married to the same woman since I was 18, like straight up, like I'm a good guy. Like
That's that. That's
not
that.
on
That's
some
that back in
stupid.
the day love right there. You get married,
yeah,
have
that's
Yes, sir.
26 kids. That's some
Yes, sir,
90s
bro.
shit.
It's been,
Good
yeah, bro.
shit,
I've been
bro.
married almost
Good
9
shit.
years, bro.
Good
Yes,
shit,
sir. I
bro.
appreciate it, guys. Seriously, hopefully I'm up there with you guys one day, and I'll be in the same level. So I appreciate the advice.
No problem, bro.
you're welcome. Just get a brick and fling that. I hate all of you, bro. What the-
Who else wants to come up?
Oh man, why are y'all like that?
Yeah, that boy, he seemed like he got his fucking head on straight. He got no
He
chance
does,
having
and
3
he's
kids in
so
26.
young.
Yeah. Yeah. I think he could do it, but I think he should just do it smart.
Yeah. I have a friend. Let me tell you this. I don't know if she's here, but I'm not gonna like blast her because she's very private. But she made 250K in one day, and she's still working a regular job because she just doesn't care. She works from home. She's like, he gives me something to do. It like she is probably one of the, if not the most profitable female trader I've ever met.
250K and still got a job. I quit a job for way less.
She did that in one day. No, she actually gets like, I don't even know how much she makes. That was just in one day. That was wild.
Is anybody still in the
But she
short?
just
This shit is short.
shit that, yeah, it's gonna hit the target.
They asked if she and the white boys.
She's married with kids, guys.
It's short is fucking shorting. I ain't gonna lie,
Oh,
Izzy.
this was beautiful.
We sniped that
We
shit.
snapped on this.
We literally head tapped that shit.
I wish
CC up
I was
300 ticks. There we
not
go.
on a challenge.
There we go, CC.
I would have held it if I wasn't on a challenge, but it is what it is.
How the hell did if it didn't take me out? Like it literally took me out with this wick and flipped and dumped. Like
There is a
my
fair
exit
value
was
gap right there.
87.
What are you doing? Why are you putting your trailing on the fair value gap? You know that it
No,
took me a while to figure that out. Like that, I'm like, why am I getting stopped out when I'm trailing? I'm like stupid fair value gap.
well,
Right
no,
there.
I trailed rejecting the fair value gap, but I did it too fucking fast. Like the candle was still kind of like moving and shit. Once I seen the wick, that's when I kind of like put it there, and then it took me out.
Yeah, with
I mean,
trailing
it is
is
what it is,
hard.
bro.
Like usually, yeah, it is what it is. But like usually, if you're gonna trail and there's a fair value gap, you need to put your fucking shit like right here. That's because I kept on getting taken out of my trail for so long that I realized that I was like, oh, I have to use the entire fucking fair value gap candle for my trailing because I was getting taken out so much. But even
Yeah,
trailing is
it's
something that,
just
like, trade management, guys. There's levels to everything.
yeah.
Oh, this short was beautiful.
This shit, bro. This short. I'm telling you, we sniped that shit. Like that's why I was like, I want to see how we react at 25. We had to just go through a little bit
I'm
of
glad.
drawdown, but once that was just a failed bullish move. A lot of people probably would have panic closed. That's why we had our stops in the proper spot. Our stop was at like damn near like 40, I think. I was risking like
Oh, my
15
boy
points.
wants to come up. What's up? We did, but see, the thing is, we joke about full port. We can have a bias, right? And this is what I don't like about bias, but in general, is that I can have an educated guess, an educated opinion about the higher time frame. But we are trading the lower time frame, and if the lower time frame is giving me confluences for a sell, I'm gonna short that bitch.
Right. I don't believe in
Like
daily
just
biases
because,
either. I get what the chart gives.
yeah, because at the end of the day, we're just scalping. Like this could buy up tomorrow during New York. You know what I'm saying? And my bias is still right because it's still Asia. But this move right here is a short. Like, you're scaring me.
Yeah, we wanted buys at first, but then I said I had to see how it reacts at a certain level, and it reacted very bearish at my level. So
Right?
the bias changed.
Yeah.
Kid Perry, what's that word?
Wait, you just say
Yeah, how y'all
Katy
doing?
Perry?
No, Kid Perry. That's his name, Kid Perry.
Kid Perry. Oh, Kid Perry.
Well, you need to
Can y'all hear
line
me?
up, my boy. You need to go to my bar.
Yeah. Can y'all hear me?
What's going on, brother?
Not much, but no, I've been trading a good bit. I okay. As far as saying trading, I've been researching trading for a good bit. When I was in Japan, like in 2019, that's when I got a hold of it, and then I started looking at the charts ever since then. I've just been in and out and stuff like that, and I've joined various trading groups. Uh, some was okay, some was not, and I like what I'm seeing here so far. But my main question is, as far as like once you get into a trading prop firm, my problems is I would pass to like the pro or to get like the pro plus or whatever prop firm it is you go with, and like it's just like the drawdown gets me every time.
You
Do you
said
want to start,
because
or do you want me to start?
I thought you was gonna start, but hold on. Let me make sure I heard him
I
correctly.
can. Well, I want to make sure that I understood it correctly too. Like, are you saying that once you go to your live account, you can't make it to payout, essentially?
Yes, pretty
Is
much.
that
It's like I get so a prop firm that I did was Take Profit Trader. I could pass the eval no problem. It's like the part where it has like
do
the drawdown
do
where like you go
do
in and out,
you
like you go into a trade.
do you YOLO your evals?
No, no.
Okay, what is the criteria of like max profit, max loss for the day?
I get the 50K account. So Take Profit is 3K, and I believe the drawdown is like 2K, I think. And it's
Okay.
She's
just
asking
with
what she. I
how to
think she's
get into a
asking
trade,
what's your
but
personal
like
trading plan.
say it again.
I think she's asking how much are you risking per day and how much are you trying to gain. Is that what
Yeah.
you were asking, Izzy? Yeah.
Yeah,
She
it
was asking
was.
your risk management plan.
Where's my risk management at?
How much are you risking per trade?
I go in like 0.10 with gold. I only try to trade like gold or Nasdaq, and like I can be
Oh,
profitable in a trade, but then like I guess in between of being profitable and getting or going back into drawdown, I never close when it's in profit, and then once it goes to drawdown, it just whenever it goes back into profit and like keep going down until like consolidation, I guess it moves a consistent daily drawdown to the threshold of 2K.
so why are you not trailing into profit if you know that that's about to happen?
I just don't. I just look at
Right,
so
but if
used
you're gonna
to just
if you're
looking at it
gonna
without the trailing.
if you're gonna trade a trailing
Mm-hmm.
drawdown, you need to trail. Period. There's no like,
Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
You're asking why that's
Got it.
happening and you literally know why it's happening.
Say it again.
I said you're asking why is it happening when you literally know why it's happening. If you know that the trailing is what's fucking you up, trail and profit. You got to trail and profit. If you know that there's a trailing drawdown, then you need to be trailing and making sure that you're green, making sure that you're not giving back too much. I know that the trailing drawdown shit that shit is annoying. Don't get it twisted, but it's there.
Yeah.
You gotta do what you gotta do. So you just gotta trail.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bro.
Until you're out of the trailing drawdown, that's how you have to trade.
Literally.
There, yeah. You cannot
Psycho Danny,
avoid
that
like because
is wait, is it?
the only thing that I was gonna say is that like because with the trailing, your stop loss doesn't fucking matter.
Mm-hmm.
If you are $1,000 into profit and that bitch comes to break even, You are down $1,000 out of 2,000. If your risk management is,
Yeah.
I can't lose over $500 a day, your trailing needs to be at $1,500. Oh no, sorry, yeah, $1,000 at $500 in profit. You know what I'm saying? Every time, every 500 that it goes, you need to move to 500. There's no other way around it. Because if that is your stop loss for the day, then you just need to follow that plan.
And if it's a runner, just keep trailing it and don't worry about if it come back to break even.
Well, you just have to trail into profit. Break even is not a matter of like if the trade is going to play out or not. You cannot afford to let it come back to break even. Otherwise, your account is gone.
Okay.
Like
Or just trade
the
a
way that
trade a
you
different
the
prop,
way
bro.
or that, but like the way that you have to trade if you're going to trade intraday is that the first impulse candle that happens, you need to be out. It does not matter if it hits your target or not.
Okay. Got it. I appreciate y'all.
All right, bro. I'm
Or
gonna
change to end of day
DM you the number to my
prop.
guy,
Yeah.
man.
You said change to end of day prop.
Yeah, if you want to hold and like then change to end of day prop. Like stop stressing about it.
Okay.
All right, Brody.
All right. Appreciate y'all.
I'm gonna send you the number to my guy too, man. That boy be slicing me up, man. Make sure he get you right.
Yeah. All right.
All right, Brody.
All right. Take care.
Who else
Yeah,
wants to
boy.
come up?
Trailing stresses everybody out. Like live trailing, honestly, in my opinion, should not even be a thing.
Right.
That ass. And if it is, there should be an option to like be able to liquidate while you are in profit. It like because the Ninja Trader actually, whenever I have like my cash account, it actually gives you the option to be trailed out of your trade if it comes back X amount into profit. And I think is why the prop firms don't put that as an option because they know that you beat the trailing if you actually had that.
Sam, what's going on, bro?
Not much. The second time on the show. How you guys tonight, lady?
How are you?
So my biggest question, I'm good. My biggest struggle is trading is FOMO.
You said FOMO?
FOMO, yes. Like I'll get in like once I see it like just dumping, and then whenever I click the sell or buy, and it stops me out, go negative. Like I've been a part of Hobby's class. I took his one-on-one. I've gotten better, but just I guess maybe the anxiety of everything.
Well,
getting in late or so.
I mean, in my opinion, because you know how many trades Javi takes. How can you
Yeah.
FOMO if you're taking 100 trades a day? Like you
is
mean
true.
to tell me that there's not gonna have another trade? Like,
Yeah. I asked Hobby. He told me, he showed me his reports, and I think I did 56 trades the other day, and I did my best day on profit loss was 1.3 for the day.
yeah,
I'm getting better.
right.
I'm getting a lot better. I took
Because
coach's
because
advice.
with Coach and I, yeah, sorry, because with Coach and I, we miss our entry. We might not get a move for hours. You know what I'm saying? With Javi,
Right.
for you to be able to take 100 trades in a day, like you need to really question yourself, like why are you FOMOing into those trades if you know that like within a minute you're gonna have another opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Like you
Right.
really need to like reflect on that because you're like, and then really try to ease your mind. Like hey, I can take a 5-minute break and come back, and like the charts are still gonna be there.
Both told me last time, just walk away. And then coach told me last time I was
Yeah.
on was stop trading my portion size, my risk management. And I've done a lot
Yeah.
better since last time. So my risk management's been a lot better. My portion size, not going in so heavy. I mean, I've seen a big difference within the last month. So, but I still got that FOMO. I'm just trying to figure that part out.
FOMO,
Is
we're
the FOMO sorry, just one question real quick. Is the FOMO
good.
because you don't think you're making enough in a day, or is it the actual move itself?
The move itself, like I've got the indicators. I've actually got the P2P just the other day. I've got hobbies. I'm seeing the signals, but it's just like click it and it goes, south real quick. It just, and then whenever I do get in, it's done went past. It's done got to, it's high, and then it flips on me and it stops me out or go negative sometimes. So, I'm just missing my signals. You know what I mean? I mean, they're right there in front of me, but I just fear of missing out and don't click it when I should when I see it.
Yeah, you're chasing it. You're chasing trades.
Yeah, right.
Hobby,
Right,
even
right,
though
right.
even though Hobby takes the amount of trades he takes, he doesn't chase anything. As much as he
No.
takes 50 trades in a day, I've seen him say, I missed my entry, it went without me. I'm just gonna let it run.
That's what I've learned. Yes.
Because you're going to get another opportunity, especially with how aggressive his trading style is. Another opportunity is right around the corner. So there's no reason to FOMO. If it runs without you, it runs without you. I say it all the time to my students too. Like, perfect example, me getting taken out right here and it's still dumping, me knowing that it's still dumping. I'm not just gonna jump in the trade. I got taken out. It is what it is. I caught what I caught, and I'm happy with that.
Right.
You're gonna have other opportunities to get in a trade, especially if you trade like Hobby. That mean another opportunities might be right around the corner. So no need. You should say to yourself, "Well, there's no need to chase this one because I'm gonna have another opportunity pretty soon." It's not like you have to wait. It's not like you have to wait like an hour or so or 30 minutes. Even if you do, wait till you see your setup. Wait till you can get into something that makes sense to you. Not just because it's leaving without you. Not because if you missed your entry, you missed your entry. If it runs without you, it runs. But you gotta have patience.
Yeah, exactly. When I got the P2P indicator and I started doing the pre-market session with you and Lama in the mornings, that has helped me out tremendously. So I appreciate all you guys in the MOT family for sure. I'm just still working on my evals and
another
this
thing
has
that
been
I
a
was
lot
gonna say,
better.
like, you need to start. Honestly, do you journal your trades?
I just started last week.
Because I think the problem that you're having, to be quite honest, because you're talking about hesitation, so it means that you don't trust whatever you're seeing right now because you don't understand it. And because you don't understand, you're freezing, you're like deer in the headlight. And then by the time you do get in, is way too late and you're getting stopped out, and then you're FOMOing after the fact. So I think that what you really need to do is lock in on like understanding why you're taking the trade. And once you build confidence, that hesitation is going to go away and your FOMO is going to go away because you are actually building confidence on the trading setups that you're taking now.
I've done better this time around, but I'm taking everything you guys and ladies teaches, just these evals, and that's what I'm working on now. I got a Tradify account. This time around, I've been taking everything in all the classes in the pre-market, a lot more serious.
Yeah.
I'm doing really good, thanks to you all. Like I said, that FOMO it's real. So
yeah. And I used to FOMO like when on my early stages because I didn't understand my strategy, and I think that's what I can relate. And once I understood my strategy, like the ins and outs, and I was so confident on it, I stopped having those feelings of like hesitation, confusion. Like that is part of the process, and the only way that you're gonna get better is like understanding the difference between a good setup and a bad setup, and exactly how you can tighten your entry. But that comes with experience, and like journaling your trades and seeing the setups playing out over and over again.
Brother, I'm trying to give you the best advice I can, bro, but I can't focus, bro. They trying to get under my skin, bro. They
I
trying to get
get
under
you.
my
I got you, coach.
motherfucking skin.
I see. I see the chat. I see the chat.
Yeah.
I appreciate you all. That's for sure.
Believe it.
No problem, bro.
All right. Thank you all.
All
All
right.
right, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Take care.
Max, you motherfucker. I'm having a good weekend.
He asked if you use
Ask
cocoa butter.
nicely that they didn't that y'all don't piss me off tonight, bro. I asked nicely, bro. I got about 6 more days in February. Right, go take care of
Oh
Brookie, bro.
man.
You fucking 350-pound Super Saiyan.
He literally came in here just to tell you how handsome you are, and you didn't even say thank you. That is wild. You're being very rude. He
I'm
took
being rude.
time away from his family to tell you that you're beautiful and that you have a smooth skin. And you'll be here mad at him.
I'm pissed. Impressed. I'm having a good night, so I'm gonna let Vegeta live, bro. I'm gonna let Vegeta live, bro. I'm gonna let him live. I swear to God, though, boy, you got one more time.
He said, fine as midget. Fuck you. Yeah.
Yo, I swear to God, bro. Max. let's give away some shit, bro. Let's give away some shit. This motherfucker, bro.
And full take profit is about to get smashed, guys.
Called out a banger, man. Per usual. It's not financial advice, but we do call out bangers in. We do print in here. For sure. Damn, that
It's
boy
literally
cooked,
1
man.
hour into the market, and we caught fucking. This is a 90-point trade. Holy fuck.
Yeah, we got snipe that shit.
I love when it plays out like this, that we don't have to wait until fucking 8 o'clock, 9 p.m. for this bitch to play out. Like,
Yeah. Give me a number, Izzy.
100.
Well, you know what?
And TP smashed.
Give me a second. Caught 410 ticks on gold, my boy. Good shit, bro. That's
Hell
good
yeah.
money right there. Coach, you Jamaican too, yeah. Namaste, your show always prints. Good night. What the hell is Namaste? Is that Brazilian?
No, Namaste is like, what is it? Indian? Indie? I don't fucking know. Like it's just like what is it? Um, it's not Japanese. It's
I like Herman or some shit?
it's it's yeah, peace to you, greetings. They say that a lot in like yoga and stuff like that.
It's big thanks or peace. Oh, okay, bet. I've never heard an Indian say that. I mean, I've never had too many combos with them, I guess.
Hey,
I'm gonna give the indicator to YouTube because I blessed them with the account last time. So we're gonna give the indicator to YouTube, and then on the cord we will bless somebody with an account on cord. YouTube, I need everybody to spam Namaste. Namaste. 1 minute. Coach, what time was your entry, bro? I don't have time for that, bro. I literally called in front of everybody, bro.
It's on my
And me
chart,
telling you the time
guys.
of my entry has nothing to do with P2P.
Our entry was pretty much the same. As soon as we saw that it was breaking structure, we got in. Plus or minus a few points difference between what is on my screen.
The chart is literally right there. 20 seconds. Sanskrit greeting? Where the hell is Sanskrit at? 10 seconds, YouTube. Psycho Danny, I'm starting to think you really fucking psycho, Brody.
You're starting to think?
All right. Joshua Lim 6448. Joshua Lim 6448. Congratulations, Brody. Go to Discord, open up a support ticket. They will give you guys a free P2P indicator for a week. Well, not you guys, but you. Free P2P indicator for a week. Congratulations, bro. All right. Now, let's give away an account. Show some love to the guys in the Discord. Show love
Can
to
we
the
make them
MOT
do
family.
something? I want to laugh.
Yeah, I got
Where
you.
did the guy with the jokes? I actually like that guy. He was so funny.
Yeah, but it gotta be. It gotta be random so it can be fair at least.
You guys gotta be
You
funny, bro.
the number you said
I
was
swear to
100.
God. No, fuck the number. I want somebody to do something.
But said I see a joke every time I take off my pants. Oh shit, that's fucking terrible. That's terrible. That's fucking terrible.
Yeah. Oh man.
That's fucking terrible.
Yo, what it do, homie?
What's good, bro? Camera's on.
Yeah, let me turn the
He's
camera on.
better than me, Rose Coach. Oh,
Yo, what's
man.
up? Holy
What's
shit, it's
up?
bright as hell in here.
You were trying to flame me?
Nappy-headed motherfucker. Nappy-headed, slack-jawed. Look at how those lips stretch 40 inches from them faces. Hey, beautiful Izzy, what's up? How you doing? This is what a real
Well,
thug
if you
looks
don't
like.
get your
Take a good
loose shirt
glimpse over
on,
here.
I'm in the fucking. I'm trading from inside a fucking college dorm. Get your hoard ass on. You got three. What you got? 3 dresses in your fucking crib?
Man,
What is that?
I'm a tough guy over here. Look at your
Where are you from?
nappy head, those ears. Those ears.
Nappy head, those ears.
And look
Brother,
at
you
that
have
nose
3 chins.
pointing a double barrel shotgun at us. Look at that
Brother,
nose.
you have 3 chins and your collar is sitting by your fucking titties.
Bro, you have pubes on your face.
You need
Take a
to
good
buy
gander.
a fucking shirt. You're already like a 3X. Why are you buying a 4X?
Yo, look at this shirt, bro. Come on, look at this. You ain't got no AKs. You ain't got no AKs. That's right.
Oh, Kyle, no MOT tag? Back to the college dorm you go, brother.
Oh my God. What the fuck was that?
Bro, I know for a fact that boy drinks beer out of a can and pisses in a fucking milk carton. I know for a fact if I try to flush his toilet, it's going to overflow. I know for
Oh
a fact.
my god.
I know for a fact. Walking past him, the aroma that you will get. I know for a fact.
Oh
He
man.
runs out of breath walking to his room. I can't believe that was the guy flaming me. Brother. You see what I mean by projecting? Yo, I'll give it to you though. You got some cojones. You got some cojones on me.
Hi, Lama.
Who we bringing up here? Who we
I don't
bringing
know. Who
up
wants to
here?
come up? Who wants to come up? You guys gotta be funnier than that guy.
Yeah, that boy was literally talking to me off his Google Chrome laptop webcam. That boy was talking to me off an iPhone 6.
But seriously though, I actually do like llamas. I think about that all the time. If I want to buy a baby llama, that would be so cute, like a fluffy one.
Did my light just go out? What the fuck?
I don't
Okay,
like
now I can
Frenchie.
talk. Hello.
Hi.
What's
I'll
good? What's going on?
Hi.
hit on you. I might like that.
I have a problem because I seen that short and I had everything set up for the short, but I could not press the button, and I keep having that same problem. And I
You
just
gotta
wanted to
turn your
y'all.
camera on.
Did y'all have that problem in the beginning?
You gotta turn your camera on. You're asking if we had a problem with doing what? What was it?
Pressing the button.
Like you scared?
Yeah.
You muted.
Oh yeah, I said I think I've lost so much that now like I'm just scared. So yeah.
Listen, just because you have I can't say that. I can't say that. YouTube. Stop being scared. The worst you could do is lose a trade. We are like, of course, like you done. How long? First of all, how long have you been trading?
Since last October, so since last
So a
October,
year.
so it hasn't been that long. I think that's probably why. But I blew like probably close to like 5-10, like all my savings. But I've gotten a lot of it back too. Last December I made a payout, but ever since then I've been just having a bad time. And then like I finally got 4 accounts about to be like passed. So now I think I'm so conscious, like I just don't want to blow it because I'm like one day away from another $200 I could get a payout, even though I probably won't take it until like I reach like the number I want. But yeah, I think I'm just scared to lose at the last step. So I just haven't been able to get into trade. So
Yeah, you just gotta stop being a punani, bro. Click the button. You only blew 5 to 10 accounts in a year. I blew 10 accounts in a day.
Those are rookie numbers.
You're doing just fine, bro. The most that can happen is you lose the trade. That's it. But you're never gonna learn anything. You're never gonna build confidence if you're not clicking the button. If you know that you see what you see, and you know you should be shorting from here, short from there. Now, if we're saying short and you don't see what we see, don't take the trade. If you don't know why
Right,
I'm
that makes
shorting,
sense.
I tell people all the time, like, yes, we're taking trades, but at the same time, you guys are supposed to learn. So yeah, we're calling out signals and yeah, we're calling out trades. Don't get it wrong, they're bangers, but you still want to know what you're doing. Because now when you're just clicking the button based off somebody else, that's even more fear because you're just clicking the button at the time.
Right.
Yeah, you gotta have like I was saying, like a checklist, a trading plan that if your entry criteria are there, you gotta make it mechanical to the point that like, okay, everything checks out, press the button. Or no, not everything checks out, don't press the button. For moments like this that you are getting highly emotional because you're getting closer to the payout and that is all you can think about. So you need to start doing a mechanical approach. So like literally downsize, cut half of the lot that you normally would do, and really work on having like a step by step, like okay, number 1, 2, and 3, the this criteria is met. All right. And if you're journaling, you know what a good setup that you take should look like, and you know what a bad setup should look like. So you really need to work on the confidence of like, okay, this is a good setup, this is what I want to, you know, spend money or risk my money on. If you don't want to risk your money on shitty trades because those trades don't met your entry criterias, and that is perfectly fine. It doesn't matter if this short played out. If your confluences are not there, you shouldn't be taking that trade anyway, you know? So
And
you really need to go
do y'all
back to the drawing
courses you
board of
help us
like,
come up? That's what I was about to say. Do you like in your
yeah.
courses? Because I have money to get one course, and it's like I'm trying to get the best one that I think that's gonna help me. Because shoot, whatever. But do you guys help like come? I think that's probably why I'm having a problem pressing it because I don't know what my confluences are yet. Like I have an idea, but I haven't like wrote it down and kind of like I probably need to start like journaling a lot more of like what worked
Yeah.
and what hasn't worked. But in your courses, do we get to like talk to you guys to like kind of go over what's going to be our strategy off of y'all strategy?
In mine, I do. That is the first thing that I have my students do after they go through the course is like come up with a trading plan and then we go over it. Um, Personally, I can't speak for everybody else. I don't know how they run their own section.
With P2P, you get the course, and then we got the study group where I'm on literally an hour and a half before market opens. Literally just basically going through the course, showing you what your trading
Yeah.
plan should be for the day, showing what you should be looking for, how you should be charting up. And you're in there with everybody else as well. So if you have any questions, like I get on at 8, some people in the study group, they be on from like 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. You can actually have some help if you have any questions while I'm charting up. I'm literally showing you how it should look. I'm literally showing you everything. So it all depends on your trading style. It's up to you, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Because
Okay,
I
well, I
do
gotta
mine in
take
the
this.
afternoon. Yeah. I do mine in the
Okay, y'all some
afternoon. I do.
badasses.
Yeah.
Okay.
It all depends
Thank
on your style.
you. And Izzy, you such a bad bitch. I be following you.
Thank you.
I want to
Thanks,
give your
Betty.
pretty ass an account, but I feel like I gotta make you do something.
I don't know. I got 3 daughters.
She
I can't
did.
do that.
She did. She did.
All right. Spell
You know, okay, go ahead. Make
win
her
in
spell it.
Chinese.
What?
Spell win in Chinese.
Why you in?
What? What?
Win in Chinese? Like the first
Stop!
Chinese
learned that.
word I could think of was why you
Stop
win.
fucking with her, bro.
Bro, we literally learned it last week.
Bro, do you think I'm gonna remember that? Oh, please.
He said Coach Bucket. I was just playing, bro. I'm gonna give you an account. Go ahead and open up a support ticket.
Or yin?
The model
Is
take
it
care of
yin?
it.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you. I said, is it yin? Y-I-N-G? That's what
Is it me?
ChatGPT said.
Oh shit!
Literally,
Yeah.
just
Oh,
ignore
okay.
him. Just ignore him and open an account. Jesus
Open
Christ.
up a support ticket. 50K TVT coming your way. Open up a support ticket. They'll take care of your finance.
Okay, thank you guys so much.
Bye.
I can't spell it. You almost made me say the N word.
What did I do? Me?
No, I'm talking to Dreo. Almost made me say the N word, ninja. He said, "Well, I can't." Bruh.
Lama said you're so thick, bro. Fuck.
What did I tell you about men that put extra K's on letters? What did I tell you about those guys? Lama's the type that he types UGHHH to another grown man, bro. So I expect that from Bino. I expect that from Bino. Matter of fact, this man called me on FaceTime yesterday on his fucking stomach with his feet swinging. This is y'all mentor, bro. He eats 13-inch glizzies. He puts extra
So do
K
I.
on words. YouTube. All I'm saying is, bro, you gotta watch that boy, bro. That's all I'm saying, bro. He's still my dog, but I just know I gotta watch him, bro. Where you took the picture? This is exactly how the man called me, bro. And he talking about guns and shit. You can't talk to me about guns with your feet swinging on your stomach.
Yeah, you can. Look how cute he looks. He looks like a baby
Nigga said he was
seal.
gonna
That's
beat my
adorable.
ass with his clothes in the air. Bro, that guy's crazy, bro.
What I'm doing if I see that, I'm jumping on top. What do you mean? We both now with our feet in the air.
You heard that, Bino? You're on your stomach, and she says she's jumping on top. Did you hear that, Bino? Think about that.
Oh.
You're on your stomach, and she's on top. Think about it. Brother, she's pegging you, brother. She's saying she's going to peg you.
What's and? What's wrong with pegging?
I'm not even gonna go in depth. I'm not gonna go in depth. I've been doing good tonight.
I don't think I can say that on YouTube. Oops. Production.
And that brother thinks it's a W. Guys, we had
As long as you do it from the back and in the front at the same time, it's fine.
Izzy, we gonna have to have a conversation, bro. We're gonna have to have a conversation, bro. Cause I'm hearing you smoking Black and Milds. I'm hearing you don't let your man grease at night. I'm hearing all type of weird
No, he
shit.
can before like 10 p.m. It's fine.
Before 10 p.m. Even all right, a Saturday night.
I go to bed at 10. The fuck you mean?
Caught that short for 918 profit. Good shit, bro. We had another We had another successful happy hour. Oh, brother. Lama, I've been doing really fucking good tonight, bro. I ain't flame nobody. Ain't been talking shit, bro. Spare me, gang.
He's not gonna spare you, not even a little bit.
386-349.
Who invited me up? Bro, who
I did. You
who
said
sent me
to.
this? Who's Oh, that was you.
You said to. You said let me what did you say? Let me get into that conversation. So I did.
I thought it was gonna be a private conversation.
Oh, it can be.
We'll talk soon.
What you won't be now? Oh, he left. All right, good.
He left.
Guys, that's another MOT happy hour, another successful MOT happy hour. If you guys caught that short with us, congratulations. We made money, we printed. I mean, it's still shorting right now. I don't know if you guys got spared and then get taken out, but I mean, we sniped the fuck out of that shit, literally. If you guys make sure you guys tip the staff. Make sure you guys tip the staff. They work solely off tips. If you guys need to pay for your education, get one of the courses. We got Izzy's high and low model. We got P2P course. We have the Mastermind. We have Logan's Battalion. If you guys need a coaching, we have me. We have Izzy. We have Javi. We have Logan. We have Jake. We have all different styles of different types of flavors of trading in here. Whatever your style of trading is, pick your mentor, lock in with them, because you're not gonna be able to do this shit by yourself. All right. Izzy, you got something to say to him?
Well, guys, happy Sunday. I hope everybody made fucking money. YouTube, drop it in the chat if you made money with us. Like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Make sure you come back tomorrow, same time. And yeah, guys, don't forget to tip the staff. We appreciate everybody. And let's get it.
Study group, I'm gonna see you in the morning. Pre-market, I'm gonna see you in the morning. The rest of y'all, I'm gonna fuck with y'all in the comments. Habibi, drop that.
She said take a left on Rodeo. Only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know where the P2Ps go. The OGs go there. I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah. The Underground Railroad. Underground Railroad. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, cashing all these Porsches with the play, roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. Where the G's and the B's. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2Ps go. Where the PCPs. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Coach and Izzy, they know. Where the PTPs. Where the PTPs go.